Did you know fruit flies lay eggs inside of your garbage disposal? Clearly, I've been fighting with fruit fly infestation and found out their breeding ground is garbage disposal. It turns out you're supposed to clean at least every 2 weeks. These active tablets clean, deodorize, refresh, and protect your garbage disposal. This whole pack offers you 1 year supply. Just drop a tablet into the disposal, run some warm water, start the disposal, and let the foam clean. While you run it, it smells so good. It's fresh citrus. So if you start seeing gnats or notice the bad fishy smell, slow draining, visible buildup, you need to get active. I'm gonna link these tablets down below. It's so affordable.